Hello and welcome. My name is Alec, and in this beginner-friendly tutorial I will show you how to create a header menu in WordPress. In my previous tutorials you'll learn how to create your About page and Contact page, a separate blog page for your blog post, and a static home page for your WordPress website. If you watched and implemented what I've shown you, you will have these 4 links in your website header. If you haven't watched these tutorials, I will leave the link to my WordPress tutorials playlist in the description box so you can learn how to create them for your website. By the end of this tutorial, you will know the following: how to create a header menu, how to add pages, how to create subpages, how to create a custom link, and how to create an unclickable link. I'm using the Blocksy theme for my tutorials. This theme puts the pages you created alphabetically inside your header, so the About page is first in the row and the Home page last. There's nothing wrong with this theme, and this page order can be easily changed. The first step is to create your header menu. To do that, from your dashboard, go to Appearance and select Menus. When the Menus page opens, you first need to create a menu. You can type whatever you want in this box, as it is for your eyes only. I will type header and click this red button to create this menu. When the menu is created, you will see 5 menu settings from which you can choose. I will select Header Menu 1, which will be displayed as my main website header when someone visits my website on a PC. I will also select the Mobile Menu option for those who visit my website on their mobile phones. I don't want pages automatically added to my header because I like controlling the displayed pages. I will leave the Footer option unchecked, as I will create another tutorial for creating and arranging the footer menu. The Header Menu 2 option is for those who want to have a second menu within their header. I will leave it unchecked for now. To save these changes, I will click the Save Menu button. On the left, you can see this box with options to add pages, posts, custom links, and categories to your header. I already have 4 links to my pages within my header, but whichever changes I make here, these changes will be displayed in my header. Let's start with adding pages. The most recent tab is open but doesn't display all my changes, so I will click the View All tab. Now that I can see all my published pages, I can decide which to add to my header. You can select each page individually or click the Select All checkbox to select them all. I will select them all and click this button to add them to my header menu. When the pages have been added to my menu, the first one will be displayed in your header as the first one on the left, and so on. If you want, you can reorder a specific page. If I wish for a contact page to be a subpage of my About page, I will hover over it until I see this cross or move sign, left click on it and move it to the right. When I save these changes and I go to my home page and reload it, you can see, going from left to right, my home, blog and About page and the contact page as the subpage of my About page. If I return to my menus page, move the contact box page to the left and save this change, it will become one of the 4 main pages within my header. In the same way you added pages, you can play around with your posts and categories. I suggest having your menu nice and clean and placing only the most important pages of your website within your main header. What you can do is create and add a custom link. For this tutorial, I will show you how to make a link to your YouTube channel. To do that, click the Custom Links drop-down menu and enter YouTube in the link text box. Go to your YouTube channel and copy its web address. Return to the menus page, paste the link in the URL box and click Add to Menu. Your custom link will be added to the list. You can move it to another place or leave it as it is. I will move mine to be the second on the list and save changes. If I go back to my home page, reload it, my custom YouTube link will be shown as the second link from the left. You can do another cool trick inside your header menu with custom links. Imagine you have two paid courses and want to add their links to your header menu. Click the Custom Links drop-down menu, write in Courses as a link text, put only a hashtag in the URL box and add it to the menu. This is how you create an unclickable link. Now create a custom link to your first course by entering Course 1 in the link text box and a link to your course. I will enter google.com just for demonstration and add it to the menu. Next, create a custom link for the second course by entering Course 2 in the link text box and a link to your course. I will enter yahoo.com as an example and add it to the menu. To make the courses links submenu links, I will move them to the right below the course's unclickable link and save the changes. If I return to my home page and reload it, the unclickable courses link will be added with its two submenus to Course 1 and Course 2. If I right-click the first one and open it in a new tab, it should go to Google. And if I right-click the second one and open it in a new tab, it should go to yahoo.com. Both links work perfectly, and this is how to create custom links. And that would be all for this tutorial. Now you know how to create a header menu in WordPress, how to add pages, how to create subpages, how to create a custom link, and how to create an unclickable link. Please let me know if I succeeded in making this tutorial beginner-friendly and easy to understand by liking it or subscribing to my channel. This will also make it easier for others who want to learn how to create a header menu in WordPress to find this video and this channel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. There are no stupid questions, only stupid answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.